This video lesson is going to be about file management in Python. As you can see, I have created a new text file called myfile. It is in the same folder as my test Python file. And as you can see, I have written some questions to this text file. Okay, so let's create a new variable called text file. And we are going to assign the method, the built-in function called open, to it. So the value we are going to assign to it is going to be the open built-in function, which has two parameters. The first one is the given file, so myfile.txt. And the second parameter can be R, W, or A. R stands for read-only, W stands for write-only, A stands for appending. Now be careful, because if you use W, which means write-only, when you run your program, it is going to delete everything in your file. So let's try R first. Now you can use the WriteLine method to display the content of your file. So WriteLine. And we are going to use a for loop to print out everything in this file. So for I in print I. Now let's run the program. As you can see, you can see the questions. Okay, now let's append another question. So we are going to use the A argument, and we are going to use the write method. And simply we are going to write another question. And let's run the program. Let's take a closer look at the file. You see, we have question 11. So if we print out the content using the readLine method, now we have question 11 as well. And last but not least, as I said, be careful with this argument, because it is going to delete everything in your file. You see, it's empty now. Thank you for watching.